All right, my friends. So I'm going to do a little stretch with you. This stretch, you can do it either after one of your classes or you can do it whenever you feel like you just need a good stretch. So from a standing position, get down to the mat. You're going to roll down all the way and you're going to stay there for a little while. Bend one knee, hold it. And stretch and shift to the other knee. So I want you to relax in your neck so you don't put any tension there. And stretch and bend again. See if you can come a little bit closer with your tummy to your leg. Stretch and switch. Stretch both legs, bend both knees, and you're gonna again stretch and bend in your own tempo this time. I'm doing it a little bit faster to get some blood flowing, but if you do want to do it slower, you go for it. Now, bring yourself all the way down to the mat and come down and go into a child's position. And you can keep your legs together or you can open them up. It's up to you, whatever feels best for you. I want you to relax in this position. So now I'm showing you how it would look like if you would do a wider position with your legs out to the side. But again, you can choose whatever feels best for you. Just breathe into it, and with every breath, try to relax a little bit more. Coming deeper and deeper into the muscle tissue. Bring your arms in, bring yourself up slowly, knees in if you have them out, toes under, and bring yourself up to your knees in a seated position. Open the hands and scapula together and open the chest. You're gonna do a little fall back. You can stay there or you can grab hold of your feet, your heels, and you can let go of the tension in your neck if this feels good for you. So this one will open up your hip flexors. Give it a good deep stretch. Bring your neck in, bring yourself up, and come down. Going all the way down to the mat. Find a comfortable position, arms in the back, next to your body. Bring your chest up, bring your arms up for a back bend. Hold it. And bring yourself down. Bring the arms down. And again, bring yourself all the way up. And if you want, you can add a leg to this. So this is a straight leg. Point your feet. Energy out through your toes, out through your fingertips, and bring yourself down. Deep breath in and bring yourself up. Straight leg up, point your feet, stretch that knee. And bring yourself down. One more time, chest, and try this time to bring both legs up. Straight knees, pointed toes, and bring yourself down. One more time. Come all the way down. And now put your arms in front of you, your elbows under your shoulders, palms facing down, and open that chest. Now straighten the elbows and bend them slowly. One more time, stretching the elbows, opening up that chest, and bring yourself down. One more time, stretch the elbows and come down. Now bring the hands a little bit closer and try it again. So this is a more narrow stance. If you want, try holding the position with one arm at a time, or just stay there with two hands. It's up to you. So one arm reach, and come down. One arm reach and come down. Bringing the hands out again for a bigger stretch. Relax the neck, bend the elbows, come all the way down. Now bring the hands out for a wider position. Bring yourself up on those fingertips. Open up that chest. Breathe. Bend the elbows, come down. Bring the hands a little bit closer. Hold that position. Breathe. And bend the elbows, come down. Grab one foot with both hands. Bent knee. Feeling that stretch in your quads, but keep those hips on the mat. And slowly let go. Bending the other foot, grabbing it with your both hands. And try to hold the hands a little bit higher up on the foot, closer to your ankle. And breathe into it. This is a very deep stretch. So breathe. And let go. And bring yourself up all the way to your knees. Knees closer, sit down. Legs out to the side. You don't have to open them that wide, just so it feels comfortable for you. Hands in the back. Toes are gonna point up to the ceiling. And now you're gonna open that chest and face up towards the ceiling. So what we're doing here is we're grounding ourselves. Now bring the hands up, shoulders back, chest open. And try to do the same. Ground yourself down to the mat. Engage that core. Keep lifting that chest. And then you're gonna tiptoe a little bit with your hands, coming to the front. Hold it. You're not gonna go all the way down because this is an active stretch. So focus and engage and come back. Open the arms to the side and you're gonna do a side bend, grabbing the toes or the ankle, depending on where you are in your stretch. Choose whatever works for you. And you're gonna hold yourself, so you're opening up that chest. Bring yourself back and to the other side. So again, this is an active stretch. So you're gonna extend up through your fingertips. Not letting go, but keep on extending up towards the ceiling. And bring yourself to the center. Doing it again, but this time you're gonna put your hand in the back, bending that elbow if you can, core engaged, chest open, energy out from the fingertips. Again, active stretch. Now turn towards your leg, grab your foot, and breathe. We're gonna go back into the active stretch. And coming over to the other side. Start with the active, opening up that chest, energy out through the fingertips. Keep lifting those toes up towards the ceiling. And breathe. Now face your leg and let go. Bringing yourself up to the center, bend one leg and bend the other. hold of the foot, and you're gonna stretch the leg. Now be sure to not lift. So you're gonna ground your sit bones down into the mat. Opening up that arm. Hold it. Hold that stretch. Bend the knee. And you're gonna shift. Grabbing hold of the foot and stretching out. If you want, let go of the arm. And extend it to the side. Deep breath here. And come down. Now for fun, I know this is my type of fun. You're gonna extend both knees and see where your balance is. So you can start with bent legs and then slowly you're gonna stretch them out to the side. Now, if it feels more comfortable for you holding the calves, go for it. Coming down. This is what it looks like to the side. So you're not gonna relax the core. You need to keep stretching. You need to keep opening up that chest. So core is engaged, chest is open. And come down. Lie down. Grab your knees. And wiggle a little bit from side to side. Grab hold of one leg, bring the other leg down. Flex your foot. And extend the leg. Deep breaths. If you want, you can extend the other leg as well. You can grab hold of the ankle and push the leg towards yourself. Whatever feels best for you. So be sure to relax the neck and let the scapula also be relaxed. Now grab the inside of your foot and you're gonna open the leg out to the side. If your knee is bent, don't worry about it. We're opening up the hip flexors here. And bend the knee, come down, and we're gonna switch to the other side. So starting by holding the knee, flexing the foot, and extending the leg up towards the ceiling. So this is an activated leg. You can let go of the other leg, but keep it activated, so toes up. Deep breaths. Grab the inside of your foot and you're gonna open it to the side. Relaxing and try to breathe through this. Bring it in, bend your leg, bring both legs in, and you're gonna roll yourself up like a little ball, front and back. You can do it slowly, you can do it faster, whatever works for you. Cross your legs. Stay in a high seated position. Hands in the back. Open that chest one more time. Gazing up. One arm, other arm, bring both arms up. And slowly bending over, grabbing hold of the mat and pushing yourself down. And now this is a relaxed stretch. So the only thing that you need to do here is breathe. Ground yourself. Feel the stretch activating in your lower back. Let go of the tension in your tummy. Let it be relaxed. Deep breath and bring yourself all the way up. And now you're gonna switch the other foot in front of the other. So if you had the right foot, you're gonna do the left foot in front of the right now. Hands in the back, we're gonna ground ourselves again. Open that chest. Bring the hands forward, arms up. And bending over, grabbing hold of the mat. And let go of the tension in your neck. So again, deep breaths. With every breath, try to let go of more and more tension. Let your tummy be soft. And roll all the way up. Bringing the legs forward, together. Hands in the back, and we're gonna do this one more time. Open that chest, gaze up. Core engaged here. Feet activated. One arm, other arm, and bend forward, grabbing hold of the feet, or the knees, or the calves. Now, you're gonna lift that chest a little bit up. So you're not going to relax into this. This is more of an active stretch. Keep your knees stretched. Super, super stretched here. And now you're going to let go. Roll yourself up. And you're going to come up to a seated position. And that's it, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it.